we work within Swansea Learning Partnership, where we work with City and County of Swansea lifelong learning education and training services. We work with specialist partners who work with very hard to reach people in Swansea who are maybe marginalised socially. That includes people like WCADA, the Welsh Council for Alcohol and Drug Abuse. We work with a homeless charity, Kailas Cymru. And with all our other partners, we recognise the need to offer bilingual classes, and where necessary, if there's demand, classes through the medium of Welsh to help develop literacy, numeracy and ESOL skills for students. Again, the demand is low, but we need to offer it regardless of that. We need to have the offer for people so that they can choose to opt for that as well. And I think the partnership work that we've recently had inspected by Estyn is excellent. So I'm very proud of that. But we know that it's a work in progress for developing Welsh ethos, culture, language.